home after a wonderful vacation in Greece. I made a wonderful travel guide in video. I will link down below the video and it will be at the end of this video. Go check them out. I'm Anaïs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And please consider to subscribe if my positive vibe resonates with you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my...
It's a hot topic. I say bad tourists, that some people do bad things intentionally, fortunately. In my experience, some things that I personally see, or some topics I just have a conversation with some people and just hear their own experience with bad tourists. First things that bad tourists do is throwing the trash on the ground, on the floor, on the water, on the ocean, on the archaeology site, even on museum. It's shocking. A few days ago, I was in Greece. I did a beautiful cruise during the day. It was a beautiful boat. And before to land at the first island, the floor of the boat was trash. I didn't take pictures, but it was trash. There were trash on the floor. The trash from what people was eating. Sometimes even cigarettes on the boat. It's shocking. Even during the last day, because we have a flyer for what we were able to buy and do on the boat, people let on the seat and the boat was moving. I saw a flyer on the seat and was close to being fly on the water. So I took it and put on the trash. If you don't want that, put on the trash. There are trash bins pretty much everywhere. If it's don't, keep your trash with you until you find just a bin. You have to respect Earth, you have to respect archaeology sites, you have to respect people who are around you. Just it. The second things that really shock me when I'm traveling, it's when people sit on the archaeologic site, meaning on the marble stairs, meaning on the little square stone, like a wall, for example, like the Acropolis, and sit there. Or sitting on the Eiffel Tower stairs. That's an example. That one I didn't see it personally, but that's not something to do. Definitely not. It's archaeology site is supposed to be preserved. Another example. Some people try to sit on the wonderful Hollywood sign. There are banners everywhere. It's not allowed, and you can be arrested for this. You can go to the top of the hill and take pictures, but some people try to go and be an intruder to go on the ladder of the Hollywood sign. First of all, it's fucking dangerous. Second of all, it's not a law by the law of California. You can be definitely arrested. I don't remember the amount of the ticket, but it's huge. But it's huge for different things. It's dangerous. They try to preserve those leaders. It was made in 1920, if I am not mistaken, if my knowledge. There are reasons. Don't do this. Don't do this. Yeah, I know it's fun to have a wonderful pictures, but there are definitely a lot of spots when you want to have your perfect pictures. Just standing, take the wonderful pictures, and yeah, you're gonna have your journey with that to disrespect the archaeology site. A lot of archaeology sites suffered during the years, like the Acropolis, who received a bullet of cannon and just the Acropolis just blew up. Just this. And a lot of people, the archaeologists, try to rebuild those sites, respect their work too. If you're a good tourist, you can sit on those benches. I realize in Greece there are lots of benches, even on the archaeologic site, even on the top of the Acropolis, you can sit. You sit there and you don't just to sit on the bench. They are made for you. You have to be patient sometimes to find one, but please, please sit on those benches. The third thing, it's shocking, but a lot of people do. And it's to take selfies or even pictures in the middle of the road. For example, that beautiful pictures on the Champs-Élysées is the Triumph Arch. A lot of people just be in the middle of the road to have that wonderful center pictures of the Triumph Arch. I'm a content creator and I'm a photographer, but please don't do this. It's dangerous for yourself. It's dangerous for the driver who just around you, definitely around you. By the way, you can take pictures under the Triumph Arch. It's possible to be there, and you can also do the stairs and have this beautiful view of the Champs-Élysées on the Triumph Arch. I take Paris as an example, but don't do this. It's dangerous for yourself and dangerous for around. Imagine, I'm not a dramatic person, but accident happened. Someone, a driver, lost the control on just his car. Doesn't mean you won't be close to him. I was a firefighter. I don't want to be dramatic or scared you, but take pictures in a safe place. If in a wonderful spot, you can take pictures. Don't be in danger for yourself and for everybody who's around. You take my advice or not, but you have to be responsible when you travel. The four things that bad tourists do is damage. I heard horror story. The graffiti archaeology site. It happened even on museum. It happened in the British Museum who some teenager put graffiti on a wonderful stele of Egyptian history. This is so shocking, guys. Oh my god. Don't damage those things. Those things was definitely before us. Their culture was definitely before us. It's shocking. They were arrested. Probably have a huge ticket for that. But I don't know if that step have been be able to be restored and properly. I don't know. I really don't know the end of the story. I don't know that people do that actually. It's so wow. Like wow. That damage with graffiti. Also, I heard a story. A couple wanted to put their child on an ancient sarcophage. It was at the British Museum too, I think. To have a beautiful pictures of that sarcophage of their babies. What the? Like, what the? Man! I even saw, personally actually, it was at the Louvre in Paris during Christmas. I was looking around that beautiful museum and one of the people tried to cross that barrier and wanted just to touch it, and don't do this. My god, don't do this. We are lucky that those beautiful knowledge of history is exposed, then we can appreciate the knowledge of history, but don't touch it. Don't try to sit on it. Don't try to be on it. Like, oh my god, I saw that. I saw that. And I'm not surprised that people try to take pictures underneath. Don't do this, please. Don't do it. The last, fifth, that batteries do. That one is the most shocking of all. I read stories that people in Thailand, and I'm pretty sure it happened like everywhere, taking nude pictures on a temple. Nude pictures. I have nothing about nude pictures. I don't mind. But in a temple, this is very disrespectful. Like, disrespectful. I'm pretty sure even some people take nude pictures on the Eiffel Tower. But, come on. Like, come on. That you propose on those beautiful monuments, yeah, that's something that you can do if you don't put yourself in danger. But nude pictures on a religious temple, this is so disrespectful, and this is the most shocking topic, is the last one. Oh my goodness. Like, I know it's a video about things, and I hope still you like it, because maybe you try to be careful when you travel, even in your daily life, but there are things you have to be respectful during your travel and during your daily life. Yeah, so that was today's video, hot topic, the 5 things that bad tourists do. And the last one is the most shocking, nude pictures. Come. Don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up, hit the bell, and I will see you next week for other videos. And check them out, there are 2 videos that will be pop here, and I will see you next week. Hope you liked this video, and bye bye travelers, have a nice day.